How to log in to Barclays Employee Portal. Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily log into Barclays Employee Portal. So the very first thing you can do is open up your web browser and search for Barclays Employee Login. Now once you have done that, just go ahead and tap on the first link that you see, live.barcap, that is for Barclays Investment Bank. And if you want to log in for your rewards, you'll find the Barclays Rewards login as well. Tap on the first link, livebarcap.com. Now here you have an option to select whether you are a client or an employee. So I'll just select the employee login, tap on this radio box, and from this radio button you can select the employee login. Now once your employee login is selected, provide your username based on your account, and then provide your security passcode. Now you can just set employee login as default if you frequently log into this website, and then tap on login. If both of your credentials are correct, you should be able to log in without any problem. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one.